So here I am walking down Broadway, which is the main, well, I'm crossing the street right now, but the main drag of Nashville. You gotta get a feel for why this place is called Music City. It's about music and all of the restaurants and bars all have live music happening right now. And it's some good music too. It's not just country, it's everything.
Thank you, guys.
There's music everywhere. This is a musician's paradise. As well as record stores that have been here for, I don't know, 100 years. There's one across the street right there. It's all about music in Nashville. I'm on my way to Hattie B